sort of had to duck and dive a few times. But I think he's actually just playing a bit of a joke on everybody, really, when he does that. I think he doesn't hear everyone give a bit of a scream. Oh, there we go, you need to your camera. Okay, so another question. Now, obviously the raven is quite a sort of a big bird, quite a nice, impressive bird. But I want to know, in the UK, where would you most famously see these guys? Does anyone want to shout it out? Fantastic, lovely man in the front here. Yeah, you would most famously see these guys at the Tower of London. And that's because there's a bit of a legend behind it. Way before the World War II, they actually introduced the raven to the Tower of London to sort of ward off any bad omens. Because believe it or not, the raven has a bit of a bad omen surrounding it. Because it dates back to really sort of old superstitious times, sort of when there was a lot of witchcraft and all that sort of thing. People used to believe that the raven was bad luck, and they were sort of related to witches and sorcery. And that's something to do with the fact that they believed